Welcome to Western Algarve. We are in Barão São João, Lagos, just on the outskirts of Espiche renowned golf course that is undergoing major expansion right now. And what we have is this beautiful villa behind me. 5 bedrooms, 4 bathroom, heated swimming pool, south facing, 200 square meters inside, and 44,000 meters of the plot, which is humongous. We are about only 10 minutes to Lagos and 10 minutes to Praia da Luz, about 1 hour to the Faro airport and about 2 hours to Lisbon. So if you want some culture and entertainment, the location is superb. It's serene, it's private, yet it's very close to everything you need. So this property was built in 2010. In the last several years, the current owners spared no expenses to bring this property up to date, modernize it, and make it absolutely stunning. In terms of the architecture, this will be a sort of a traditional Portuguese design with a whiff of modern, contemporary sort of style. And in terms of how it feels inside and outside, this is a very large, modern-ish villa for a large family with a humongous plot where your creativity can go crazy. So welcome inside, and as you can see, this villa has really generous areas. We are here right now inside the living area that flows into dining and a kitchen, for your everyday living and hosting. Then down the hall we have 3 bedrooms with 3 separate bathrooms. On the top floor we have another 2 guest bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. Here in the kitchen we have a little laundry, and then we have a carport outside. When it comes to the outside, all of this area actually floats, making it seamless so you can do inside and outside living. We have a great barbecue, we have heated pool, open vistas of the Gulf. I mean, you name it, this villa has it all. So this villa packs quite a punch when it comes to amenities. Very good quality of construction. Underfloor heating throughout. We have air conditioning in every division. And when it comes to the outside, we have heated pool, we have a borehole, which comes to sustainability. So you have your own free water and so much land that you can put up to 30,000 kilowatts of photovoltaic power, which put you completely off the grid if need so. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And if you like this amazing villa, please don't hesitate and get in touch with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.